What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Polygon here, and it does look as though we have finally come down and, broken out of this range fully. With Bitcoin rolling over the past day or so. We've essentially seen Polygon get dragged down with the market, finally coming down to retest some of these lows that we've been looking for. It actually came as far as to come all the way down towards that $2 level, which is actually pretty interesting to see. We have fully come down and, come back down into this area that we did want to see retested at around that 222 area. Obviously, with the wider market rolling over, you can see that we did actually, completely blast through this area that we did want to see tested as support. And we came down to instead a lower level at around that $2.02 level, which is essentially, front run of $2. Finding support in and around this area here, this previous area of structure. There's a lot of structure in this area. You can see on the charts in between that 195 Fibonacci 078 extension level, and obviously that 222 level here. And you can see Polygon, over the past few hours looking as like it's, it's doing that cup formation bottoming out pattern, isn't it? Where we're coming back up to retest this level here. Currently finding it as a bit of resistance, actually, that 222 level most likely. You can see here when we came down to that 220, that $2 level. Sorry, let me just draw this in so you can see it. Let's make it green. You can see when we came down to that $2 level, and then we come back up, we'd retest that previous swing high at 222 as resistance, didn't we? And we come back down again. Found a nice little bottom and now getting a little pump up again for Polygon here. Looking as though we do want to break it right now, actually. We're sitting right at the resistance right now, potentially, looking for that break back to the upside. It would be really good for Polygon to come back up and reconquer this resistance because, as we said before, obviously these previous swing highs and swing lows are all very important for Polygon in its continuation to the upside. You can see, obviously, we've been making higher highs and higher lows all the way up, essentially just up and to the right for Polygon. And every single time that we've come back up, we've come down, retested levels very thoroughly before we do have that bounce to the upside. Polygon looking really strong recently. Obviously a top quality crypto. We do think this is probably, it's got some legs in it still. We do think $5 to $10 for Polygon is easily possible in our opinion. And we'd say, judging by the way it's performing, especially in the face of the current market sentiment, it's commendable really how well it is actually holding up. But you can see every time that it pumps, it comes down, it thoroughly retests the previous area before continuation. We've had a recent pump again to a new all-time high at around 293 here. We've got the rollover now, coming back and thoroughly retesting this previous area of support down to around that $2 level, $2 being a big psychological support now you would expect. And now coming back up towards that 222 level that we do want to see Polygon essentially, reclaiming really. Doing something like this, reclaiming, coming back down, retesting 222 as support. Then coming back up and again retesting that the bottom of that range that we were talking about for a good while here that Polygon's been in for a long time. Like you can see here, we did actually potentially finally get that head and shoulders formation play out where we come down, find that bottoming out target, and now looking like potentially Polygon having a bit of a bounce today. You can see here it really wants to break out of this key level here at 222. If that's the case, like we said, we want to see it break out, back test that 222 level as support, and then obviously get the move to the upside back up to the previous bottom of the range at that 242 level. And then obviously we can do short-term price predictions. If we roll over from here, we'd say back down to that $2 level, very likely, maybe form a range like this. Or if we pump up, we are targeting the bottom of that previous range, as we said, at 242. And beyond that, we really do think Polygon, it's going to do really well, we think, by the end of the bull run. Been showing a lot of strength. We do think $5 to $10 looking increasingly likely, which has been our price prediction essentially for the past year. And then beyond that, You know, we've got that 127 extension at $4 there, haven't we? And then, you know, that $5 to $10 range, not looking so unlikely. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.